Hi, and welcome to our Mars colony, where the best and the brightest are forging a new frontier for humanity. As you can see, much of the infrastructure for our colony has been built out, but there's still plenty of room for future projects and innovation. Today, we're going to be taking a look at our government building. This impressive four-story building is powered, like much of the colony, by wind, solar, geothermal, and nuclear energy. Let's take a closer look. As you can see, the building is accessed from the bottom, and it takes advantage of our latest anti-grav technology to power its elevators. So you just come here and you power it up. In this first floor, there are meeting rooms that are used not just for meetings, but for cultural events, workshops, and other summits. On the second floor is more meeting rooms and also private office areas. Let's take a look and see what they look like. Here we see it is an open room with beautiful views of the colony. Let's look at the other office. Very nice, just like the one in the front, but with views of the crater where our colony is located. Let's go up to the most important room in the entire building. And this one is located on the third floor. As you can see, it is our council chamber, which is a restricted area. Here, representatives from all areas of the colony meet regularly to discuss the workings of the colony, our laws and regulations, and other matters of importance. But now let's visit my favorite floor in the building, and that is the top floor. So let's get back on the elevator and let's exit out of the elevator. As you can see, we're in the Mars Earth Victory Garden, where we celebrate our great achievements in this colony and our firmly rooted origins on Earth. As you can see here, our Earth roots and our Mars future are intertwined. This garden shows both flora from Earth as well as some of the local flora we have discovered in Mars and some of the flora that our scientists have spliced together from elements of Earth and Mars. And this is truly the most visual representation of our history here on Mars. This is a wonderful, tranquil space where we can reflect and celebrate what we have achieved while looking at beautiful views, of course, of our colony. And that is the end of the tour. If you have any questions, definitely, send them to me via our electronic messaging system, and I will see you next time on our next installment of the Mars Colony tours. See you next time.